Are you ready to transform your living space into a magnet for prosperity and abundance? In this video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of universal principles and spiritual teachings to create an environment that attracts wealth and success. Discover the infinite potential within you to reshape your life and manifest the abundance you deserve. If you're prepared to embark on a journey of self-discovery and manifestation, don't miss this step-by-step guide that will show you how to cultivate a prosperous and abundant atmosphere in your home. Our living spaces are far more than mere physical structures. They are reflections of our energy, beliefs, and deepest desires. They serve as our sanctuaries, where we recharge and reconnect with our inner selves. Yet, many of us remain unaware of the immense power our surroundings hold in attracting or repelling abundance across all aspects of our lives. Allow me to share a revelation that completely shifted my perspective. One of the most influential spiritual teachers of our time teaches us that the external world is a reflection of your internal state. In other words, what we experience in our physical reality mirrors our dominant thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. If we wish to attract prosperity and abundance, we must begin by transforming our inner world and, consequently, our environment. So, how can we apply this knowledge to turn our homes into magnets for prosperity? The first step is to become aware of the energy we're radiating and projecting into our space. Everything in the universe is composed of vibrational energy, and our thoughts and emotions emit frequencies that attract experiences and circumstances in harmony with them. If we focus on scarcity, limitation, and fear, we'll be sending a signal to the universe to bring us more of the same. Conversely, if we cultivate thoughts of abundance, gratitude, and possibility, we'll be tuning our frequency to prosperity. Once we've become aware of our internal energy, it's time to direct our attention to our physical environment. Our home is an extension of ourselves and has the power to anchor and amplify the vibrations we emit. Imagine your house as a blank canvas, ready to be imbued with the energy of your highest desires and dreams. Begin by decluttering, freeing your space from everything that no longer serves you or doesn't convey a sense of joy and expansion. Every object in your home carries an energetic charge, and it's crucial to surround yourself only with those that inspire you and make you feel good. Make room for the new, for the abundance that's on its way. As the Zen proverb says, the cup must be empty to be filled. As you release what you no longer need, it's important to replace it with elements that represent and evoke the energy of prosperity. Use colors, textures, and symbols that connect you with abundance, such as green, gold, and plants. Surround yourself with images and objects that inspire you and make you feel successful, fulfilled, and abundant. Create altars or sacred spaces where you can connect with your higher self and affirm your intentions for prosperity. Another fundamental aspect of turning your home into a magnet for abundance is gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful vibrations in the universe, capable of attracting more blessings into your life. Take a moment each day to appreciate and be thankful for everything you already have, from the smallest things to the greatest. Create a gratitude journal or a vision board where you can capture all the wonderful things you wish to attract into your life. Celebrate every blessing and every step towards your goals, no matter how small. In addition to gratitude, it's essential to cultivate an abundance mindset in every corner of your home. Use positive affirmations and inspiring phrases that reinforce your belief in unlimited prosperity. Place sticky notes with powerful messages in strategic locations, such as the bathroom mirror or the front door. Every time you see them, you'll be reprogramming your subconscious mind to vibrate at the frequency of abundance. Another key element in attracting prosperity to your home is creative visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows us to experience and feel our desires as if they were already reality. Dedicate a few minutes each day to closing your eyes and imagining your home filled with abundance in all its forms. Visualize money flowing to you with ease, opportunities arriving at your doorstep, and happiness and love flooding every corner. The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the faster you'll attract those experiences into your physical reality. Let me share a personal story that illustrates the power of these principles. A few years ago, my home was a reflection of the scarcity and limitation I was experiencing in my life. I felt stuck, both financially and emotionally, and didn't know how to break out of that cycle. It was then that I discovered the teachings of universal laws and the power of attraction. I began applying these principles in my home, releasing what no longer served me, surrounding myself with elements that inspired me, and cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude. Gradually, my environment began to transform, and with it, my reality. Incredible opportunities started coming into my life, my business took off, and abundance became my new normal. My home became a true magnet for prosperity, attracting blessings from all directions. It was a testament to the power of aligning our inner and outer worlds with our highest desires. My dear friends, I want to invite you to embark on this beautiful journey of transformation and abundance. Trust in the power of your intentions and the wisdom of the universe. Remember the words of great spiritual teachers, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and observe how the law of attraction brings you your desire. Feel the excitement and gratitude of living in a prosperous and abundant home, and watch as that reality manifests before your eyes. Before I say goodbye, I want to leave you with a reflection from renowned author and speaker Wayne Dyer. Abundance is not something we acquire. It is something we tune into. Tune your home and your being to the frequency of prosperity, and observe how the universe conspires in your favor to bring you blessings beyond imagination. One crucial aspect of transforming your home into a magnet for prosperity is energy clearing. Just as we declutter our physical space, it's equally important to cleanse and purify the energetic atmosphere of our living environment. Over time, homes can accumulate stagnant or negative energy that may hinder the flow of abundance. There are various methods to clear the energy in your home, each drawing from different cultural and spiritual traditions. One popular technique is smudging, which involves burning sacred herbs like sage or palo santo to cleanse the space. As you walk through your home with the smoldering herbs, visualize the smoke carrying away any negative or stagnant energy, leaving behind a pure and positive atmosphere. Another effective method is sound clearing, using instruments like singing bowls, bells, or even your own voice. The vibrations produced by these sounds can break up stagnant energy and restore harmony to your space. As you move through your home, pay special attention to corners, closets, and areas that feel energetically heavy. Crystal grids are another powerful tool for energy clearing and amplifying positive vibrations in your home. Select crystals known for their abundance-attracting properties, such as citron, pyrite, or green aventurine. Arrange them in sacred geometric patterns throughout your space, setting the intention for each crystal to radiate prosperity and positive energy. Energy clearing is not a one-time event but an ongoing practice. Make it a habit to cleanse your space regularly, especially after arguments, illness, or when you feel a shift in the atmosphere. By maintaining a high vibrational environment, you create the perfect conditions for abundance to flow freely into your life. Incorporating the ancient Chinese practice of feng shui into your home can significantly enhance its ability to attract prosperity and abundance. Feng shui is based on the principle that the arrangement of objects in a space can affect the flow of qi, or life force energy, thereby influencing various aspects of our lives, including wealth and success. One of the fundamental concepts in feng shui is the Bagua map, which divides your home into 9 areas, each corresponding to different life aspects. The wealth corner, typically located in the far left corner from the main entrance, is particularly important for attracting abundance. Enhance this area with symbols of prosperity such as a small fountain, representing flowing wealth, healthy plants, symbolizing growth, or objects in purple or gold colors. The main entrance of your home is considered the mouth of qi in feng shui, where energy enters your space. Ensure this area is well lit, clutter-free, and welcoming. A clean, inviting entrance sets the tone for abundance to flow freely into your home and life. Pay attention to the placement of your bed and desk, as these represent 2 crucial aspects of your life, rest and productivity. Position them so that you have a clear view of the door without being directly in line with it. This command position is said to promote a sense of security and control, allowing you to be more receptive to opportunities and abundance. Incorporate the 5 elements of feng shui: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water throughout your home in a balanced way. Each element has its own energy and can be represented through colors, shapes, or actual objects. For example, add wooden furniture for growth, candles or red accents for the fire element's passion, crystals or ceramics for earth's stability, metal frames or silver objects for clarity, and a small fountain or blue accents for water's flow and abundance. My dear friends, you have the power to create the home and life of your dreams. Trust your inner wisdom, align yourself with the principles of universal laws, and take courageous steps towards your abundance. The universe is on your side, and prosperity is your birthright. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and transformation. If this message has resonated in your hearts, I invite you to share it with those who may benefit from these teachings. Together, we are raising collective consciousness and creating a world where every home is a beacon of abundance and prosperity. Remember, prosperity is not something found outside of you, but a reflection of your internal state. Cultivate abundance in your mind and heart, and watch as your home becomes a magnet for infinite blessings. Until our next encounter, may light and love guide you every step of the way.